Hi everyone, I want to show you a special bag, and I will, there's actually a much larger video, I'll post it up in the cards. You can take a look at the entire haul from Paris, but this is a special edition, and I'll show you what the bag is. So I was very surprised to see this one because I've been asking in the US and kind of laughed at me a little bit that it was not going to be available. So it is the Mini Kelly 2 Cloute in Noir box calf, and I love this. I love the studs. I think it's very edgy. When I first saw it on Instagram, I took a screenshot of it and put it in my Hermes folder, knowing I would probably have to buy it on resale. It only comes in the Mini Kelly and the Constance. Constance would be amazing because you'd be able to carry more, obviously, but Mini Kelly, awesome little night out bag that's more trendy and a little more, well, a lot more edgy. And I think this or a black croc is like the go-to bag, or maybe a bright pink croc is the go-to bag for an evening bag. So is it going to be used every day? Absolutely not, but it is a beautiful bag. Little studs on the bottom. By the way, I sell these little studs on my eBay listing, my own studs that I've created. If you're ever interested, there's a link in my bio. And so protect these little guys, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. It's standard Mini Kelly, so it has the card slot inside. It's gonna be kind of hard to see in there, and it does come with the strap that at the moment I cannot find, but it does have a strap as well. So I hope you enjoy this. Let me know what you think. Do you have a Cloute? If so, what do you think? Would you use this? Do you think it looks Texan, or do you think it looks edgy? Looking forward to your comments.